Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today it's my pleasure to show you a Harris 2019 Cruiser 230. This boat is optioned with white hull and a gray accent, French gray interior, and you can see gray vinyl flooring. As we step on the boat, you'll start to see, number one, the amount of space you have, and number two, the amount of storage space that you have. And the key about the storage space underneath every one of these seats is there is no carpeting, there's no cloth, nothing to stay wet, maintain the smell of wet. So that's a great thing for your storage space. As we come to the mid-boat, you'll see this is a center walk-through dual helm configuration. And as we stop at the helm, you can see that this boat comes with a Simrad G05 chart plotter and fish finder, as well as a Fusion stereo. You also have analog gauges up top, as well as switches and a number of convenience factors for the captain. Just across from that, you do see your privacy changing room. There is a cover for this. It's a non-snap cover. And as we get to the aft portion of the boat, again, you'll see really well appointed loungers. You'll see all kinds of cup holders. This boat is really made to entertain. You do have a substantial swim platform on the back with the ever popular stainless steel swim ladder that's telescoping. This boat also has a tow bar that goes over the top of the 150 horsepower Mercury. This is a really, really nice boat, really well appointed, well powered. And if you have any questions or want some more information on this boat, please feel free to reach out. My number is 727-400-3799. Again, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.